How to log in Barclays online banking account. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to log into your Barclays online banking account, and let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the www.barclays.co.uk and go to its official website. Now, once inside the official website, you can see login button available in the top right corner of the home page. Now all you have to do is tap on the login button available there and navigate to the login section. Now, enter your login details. You'll be asked for your surname, membership number or card number. Then enter your passcode, 6-digit code you created, and memorable word. You'll be asked for specific characters as well. And once done so, you'll be logged into your account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.